Rosales. Rosales. Good for two. Kukia.
Tugoy na ba yun ako ka?
Kukia.
Basketball si
To
Casey.
Natura. To David. 10 minutes shoot. David for three. No good. Rebound by Rosales. Rosales to Velez.
Ana-ana lamang ka sa
Loose
susta.
ball.
Wala ko ikukita kita ko sa my day. Wala pa nakukitaan sa post ni Kissy. Ako
David
ba?
to Kukia.
Kaya kung post ano ganito.
Kukia sharing the play. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Rosales.
Ikaw kay T.
Rosales. Pass to Velez. Velez.
Wala ka lang
No good.
sa Pinas. Kita
Bumper number 7. To Kukia. Kukia.
Ay, manglabong ka.
Sharing the play. Pass to Natura.
Ay, mga balas-balas.
To number 7. 3. No good. Bumper number. What's number that?
Wala pa yung kaso.
Kasinghan. Lucy Coupons. Rather who? Kukia. To number 77. 77. Steal. Nino. Nino to Rosales. 3 points. What a play. 3 points. Rosales. Kukia. Kukia. Kukia easy 2 points. Rosales. To Hamili. Hamili to Paul. Paul. Power play. Power play. Running violation.
Ay.
Hindi na iyang ang juice.
Kukia.
Dili din na iya, ha?
Kukia.
Hindi nga po ano ka
Setting the play.
Di.
Pass to number 77. 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 7. Pass to Kukia. Kukia. Kukia.
Iyang mga...
Easy 2 points.
Nasa iya, ha?
Rosales. Rosales. Rosales setting the play. Pass the ball to Hamili. Still by Kukia.
Kamili.
Kukia to Natura. 2 points. Chiro, 2 points. Nagpigil pa kasi. Jump ball. Official score. Kukia. Kukia to number 77. Luka. No, rebound by number 23. Nino. To Velez. Who sits the points? Weston Velez. Steal. Loose ball. Espinosa. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Kukia. Kukia. Kukia 2 points. Rosales. Rosales. Setting the play. So Rosales giving the ball. Foul. Who's scoring? Number 11, Espinosa. First personal foul, first team foul.
Tama ito yun.
Bonus shot. Kukia. Kukia. Setting the play. Pass to Espinosa. 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 Pass to number 7 and number 1. David. No good. Nino. Pass to Rosales. Rosales.
Na?
Rosales.
Ay,
Kukia 3, no good. Rebound by Espinosa. Still the number 7. To David. To number 77. No good. Number 7. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 68. Ball. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 7, second free throw. Super 2,
Ako man, dyan mong natural.
Nino.
Sa
Nino.
una pa? Ah,
Nino play. The muscle man. Kokia. 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 Oh, still by Velas. Number 7-7. Power play. Lulu in about by number 12 to Velas. Velas again. No good. Onyx. Team points. Official score 20-12. 8.2 Brotherhood. David. Number 7-7. Setting the play. Kokia for 3. Kokia.
first pa man. Ano pa na yun?
Rosales. Rosales. Foul. Who's fouled? 7-7. First personal foul. Second team foul. Destuga. Bakit? Wala, nag-feedback kasi.
Ay, wait.
3 minutes, 40 seconds. Kokia! Kokia to you! Rosales. Rosales. Setting the play. Rosales. Rosales. Oh, smart play. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. 2 minutes, 17 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Velas. Velas setting the play. Velas. Setting the
Basta ko
play.
na-shoot, na-shoot.
Nagmilo. Velas. Who's fouled? Number 2. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus shot. Velas. Wala. Number 12. Number 12. Kokia. Rosales. Rosales. Number 2, pass to Bastura. Bastura. Wow, what play. Bastura. Official score 26-21, 5.3 Brotherhood. 28-21, 7.3 Brotherhood. Velas. Velas. We're good. Tax ball. 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Kaya ba?
Kokia! Kokia! Steal with 3 points, no good. Rebound by Gastura, what a play! Gastura, 2 points.
Sabay sila ko.
Rosales,
Sabay sila ko.
setting the play. Rosales 3, no good. Rebound by number 68, Paul. Nino. Nino.
Tamis inyo pala.
5. Salwet.
Ay, check mo.
Number 3,
Diyan
Kokia.
na.
Kanya ko na lang yan.
That's your third bonus video. Marinig. Sexy daw si Rosales.
Igalitan na si Amelie.
Rebound by Kokia. Kokia.
Galing.
Loose ball. Official score 29-25. Brotherhood by 4. Velas.
Ay, ang number sa...
Velas. 20-second shot. Velas. Floater. Good mo by Destura. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to Velas. No good. Kokia, the number 23, 3 points. No good. Destura, 2 points. 2.3, Brotherhood. 29-27. 1 minute, 15 seconds.
Chill sila.
19 seconds to shoot. Velas. To number 12, to Paul. No good. Kokia, 2 points. 53 seconds. Devla at 29. 45. Velas, 2 points. Kokia, no good, rebound by number 12. Rosales, 3, no good, rebound by Velas, 2 points. Sorry guys, home court. 15 seconds shot, 15 seconds foul. Number 9. First personal foul, ilang team foul? Second team foul. 13 seconds. Destura. Rosales, 10 seconds. Shot, 10 seconds remaining for the first quarter. 5, 3, time. Official score, 53-29. Guilford Brotherhood. Number 1. Uy, Velas, Rosales. Velas, play, no good. Rebound by number 12, Hamili. Oh, troubling relation, number 12.
Amili ha.
Number 2, Kokia setting the play, pass to Destura for 3, no good. Pushing foul. Number 3, Kokia, that's your second personal foul. Rosales setting the play, pass to Hamili. Velas. MVP. Ay, siyempre, home court. Kokia. Number Hamilton. The number Rosales. Exhibition shot. Rosales. 2 points. Espinosa. Wow, I wish they were blocked by bench. Whoops. What a play! Oh, Kia! Official score 37-31. 6-point lead, Rapid Blue. Rosales. Setting the play. Rosales. Velez. 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 Velez pa rin. 3-second shot ng Velez. Official score 39-31. Destura. Number 3. That's your third personal foul. Third personal foul, Velez. First team foul. Yeah, that's your third personal foul. Mamaya. Let the referee pick it. Substitution. Velez out. Paul Miguel in. Isa lang. Rosales. Bench.
Tapos kapag may sasabihin sa atin,
Number 12. That's your first personal foul, Velez. Sorry. Number 77. Offensive foul. No basket. No basket. No basket. Second personal foul. Destura. Pag-offensive.
Preparation.
Bench for 3. No good. Kokia. Kokia to Espinosa. Wala.
Ay!
Same ball. Tags ball.
Sabi ko
Destura.
dito sa... Di ba,
Irish.
na-point repeat pa.
Kokia.
Repeat dessert eh. Repeat dessert.
41-35.
Lamig.
Rosales. 12 seconds to shoot.
Dubai chocolate.
10. Wow! Hamid. Espinosa, Destura. 3 points. 3 points. Rosales. To Paul Miguel. Traveling violation, Paul. Charge, timeout. Brotherhood.
Salamat. Time.
Kokia. Good. Paul Miguel. Kushikpa. Number 28. Yeah. Destura. To Kokia. For 3. Kokia. 2 points. Rosales. 15-second shot clock. Rosales 3. Charge, timeout, counts.
Nagana po ba yung
Kokia. David. Kokia. Destura for 3. Destura. 3 points. Number 9, Sales. Setting the play. To number 12. Number 9, 10-second shot clock. Down to 7 throw by Espinosa. Espinosa. Espinosa to Vestura. 3 seconds violation. Espinosa. 3 seconds violation, Mother. Mother, it's a 3 seconds violation. He stays there for 3 seconds. Naka-foul. Number 12 and number 20. Number 20 to Rosales. Foul. Who's correct? Number 23. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds. Velez. Time. 8. Down to 5. Velez. Forty-nine, 47, 2.3. Destura Kokia. Number 4, Rosales. Rosales, wala pa rin. Velez to Velez. Who's correct? 77, that's your third. That's your third personal foul. Third team foul.
Time out na.
Miguel. Velez, na fundamental, wala. Rebound by number 7, pass to Kokia. Kokia to Pepe and to Josh. Josh, 2 points. Easy 2 points. Jordan, Felipe. Number 9, Rosales. Foul. Felipe, number 1. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Amini. Number 28. Norman belong by number 7. Foul. Number 3. Velez. That's your second personal foul. Substitution.
TikTok. Oh.
Kokia. To number 23, to win. 52, Deadlock at 52, Rosales sharing the play, pass to number 28, wala, Rosales pa rin. Rosales to Velez, the fundamental. Destura. Home court po, pass home court. Last! Ay, 2 minutes lang. Di pa yung last. Destura! Nagkape sa ere. Wow, ang saya ni Madura. Rosales for 3. Love it. Rebound by number 7. Kokia. 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 Rebound by Felipe. To number 23 to Kokia. Kokia. Oh, so 1 minute and 30 seconds. Deadlock at 54. Who's fouled back? 68. Paul Miguel. That's your first personal foul. 55-54, fouls by 1, Kokia to for 2. Number 28. 28. Habib Rosales. To Paul Miguel. Wow! Paul Miguel power play. Testura. The number 20, 30 by 20. I don't know. Testura. To Coquilla for 3. 3 points. May kasama bang foul? Proud mother. Okay, sorry. Basta tanggapin pa ba natin sa Guildford Saturday? Sa ibang team siya kumakampi. Complete the play. Official score 60-56. 4-point lead. Hogs. Paul Miguel. Paul Miguel, wala. Rebound by Coquilla. To Destura. To Coquilla for 3. Bang! Irish Coquilla. Last ball, 63-56. Shot clock. 17 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds. Number 20 there. Wow, what a play. Good shot. Velez, Austin Velez. Wala. Number 7, the Destura. 77, Destura for 3. No good. 20 seconds.
Uy! Vacation?
19 seconds.
Wala pa na.
19 seconds.
Warm up pa.
Remaining for the second quarter. Number 12, Rosales. Paul Miguel, 2 points. 12 seconds remaining. 10, 5, 4 seconds, 1 second. 1 second left. 1 second pa po. May Brotherhood ball.
Wala. Tip!
Official.
May JL. May JL man nawala sila kay OKC.
Pumasok. Rosales. Coquilla. Espinosa to Coquilla. 2 points. 1 play. Rosales. 67-60. 7-point lead. Hogs. Rosales. 10 second shot clock. Paul Miguel. No good. Number 23. And number 2, Coquilla for 3. No good. Rebound by number 7, Coquilla. Destura. 2 points. 69-60. Velez. Setting the play. Velez to Rosales to Velez. 10 second shot clock. Velez. The fundamental Austin Velez. 2 points. Official score 60-69. Tags by 7. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 3. That's your 3rd personal foul for Stipa. Austin Velez. Espinosa! Wala. Kasinggal. Diba? Kasinggal. Number 20. And number 2. Number 2, David. Destura rebound. Run
Lagi na si
play.
Ken.
Ganit.
Destura. Rosales. 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 Paul Miguel. Velez. Destura. Destura. Kokia for 3. Kokia.
Nakatalisman.
Oh, nagyod nila.
Ganit.
74-62. 12-point lead Cubs. Rosales. Rosales. 3. Rosales.
Ano naka-brown? Oh.
15 seconds. Kokia. Rosales. Rosales. Wala. Kokia. Rebound. Still by Austin Velez. Austin Velez. Oh! Austin Velez. Asawa ni Carla. 2. Destura. Destura to number 7. Miguel. Rebound by Paul Miguel Rosales. Rosales to Austin. Oh! Austin Velez. Asawa ni Carla. Pangilinan to Kokia to Destura. Rebound by number 12. What a rebound. Number 12. And that's basket. Who's calling? Number 2.
Go, Bobby!
Bonus shot. Number 12. Naglilibang by Espinosa. Kokia. Kokia to Destura for 3. Nuno. Velez. Wow, what a hustle by Espinosa. The proud mother, Espinosa. Wow! Espinosa with his proud mother.
Ah.
Chelo.
Mama na niya? Pataa pa.
Nino. Nino foul. Who's fouled? Destura. That's your. Destura. That's your. Third personal foul. How many team fouls? Second team foul. Nino. 76-71. 5-point lead. Fouls.
Go!
No. Nino. 1 of 1. Kokia. Still. Rosales. To Velez. Velez! Hey! The fundamental Velez. The MVP last season ay the MVP Suri Tournament. Number 2, 3. Rosales. 76-75, 1-point lead. Kokia, steal. Kokia, setting the play. Kokia. Kokia. 13 seconds. 10. Foul. Number 23, Singal. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Kokia to Rosales. Jairo. Loose ball.
Saan oras na?
Substitution.
What is the oras now?
9:30.
No.
Rosales. Rosales. Niño. To Paul Miguel. Paul Miguel. Easy 2 points. (77-76) 1-point lead. Change label. Who's ball rep? Number 68, Paul Miguel. That's your
Time out, track.
second personal foul. Kokia. 78-77. Change favor. Foul. 3 points spot, 3 points. Foul number 2. Third team foul. Bonus shot. Kasinga. Same ball. 14 seconds shot clock. 80-78, 2-point lead, Brotherhood. Rosales setting the play. Rosales. 3 seconds violation. Paul Miguel. Kokia. Kokia. Setting the play. Kokia. 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 Who's foul rep? Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 3. Rosales, Rosales. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. 2 minutes. Yeah. Kokia. Deadlock at 80. Rosales. 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 Paul Miguel. Paul Miguel. Paul Miguel. Who's foul rep? Espinosa. That's your. Espinosa. That's your. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. 82-80. 2-point lead. Kokia. 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 Foul. 23. That's your. 23. Ano yung Fernand? That's your second personal foul. 13 seconds. Wow, what a pass. Felipe, 2 points. 83-82, 1-point lead. Rosales. Rosales. Number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by Destura. Kokia. Kokia. Number 20, Kokia. 2 points. Change favor. 84-83. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Ball. Foul! What a play! Paul Miguel. Ay, it's trouble. Sorry. Akala ko it's a foul. No point. Kokia. Number 9. Sub.
Kisoy na.
Kokia. Yeah. Shooting foul naman. Kokia. Loaded.
Roll.
Second free throw. Second, I think that's second personal. Second personal foul. Two out of three. Rosales. 86-83. 3-point lead, Hogs. Paul Miguel. Velez! Kabugnako! Velez, 2 points. Kokia to Felipe. To number 2, 3 points. What a play. What a team play for Cox. Rosales. Wow. Who's foul red? Number 11, Espinosa. That's your third personal foul. 15 foul.
I think they would like Nice.
1 minute, 20 seconds. Espinosa, pinasa kay Felipe. Velez, ni-rebound ni Velez, napunta mental Velez. 14 seconds, shut up. Ay, same ball pala, sorry. Same ball, number 12. Who's foul red? 77, Destura. That's your. That's your fourth personal foul. Yeah. Both teams, penalty. Espinosa. Destura, pinira, wala, number 23, rebound. Number 23. 46 seconds. 88-89. 1-point lead. 11 seconds. Velez! Wala pa rin. Espinosa rebound. To number 22. Paul Miguel. 2 points. James Favor. 29 seconds. Felipe. Espinosa. Rosales. To Velez. 16 seconds. 10. 5. Official score, 92-89. Rosales. Rosales. Rosales for 3, no good. Destura rebound. To number 2 at 23. Tokia. Tokia, wanna Tokia 2 points. 92-91. Tokia skill. Destura. Destura, no good. Rebound by number 12. To
Ano ni Dart?
Velez wala. Espinosa rebound. Espinosa. 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 Wala pa rin. Velez. 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 The fundamental. Woo! Asawa ni Kyla. May libre kong one mamaya, Starbucks ha. Tokia. Number 12, for the rebound, Rosales. 92-91, 3-point lead.